Welcome to Jnana Jyothi Degree College located at Yelahanka New Town, where passion meets purpose and curiosity transforms into discovery. Our college symbolizes the light towards the path of education. Our principal is the main pillar of our college, setting the core values that will move students towards academic achievements and staff towards professional success. The professors are accommodating and polite with abundant knowledge. They are highly qualified and supportive, always encouraging us to think critically and aim high. The classrooms of JJDC are spacious and well-lit rooms filled with rows of comfortable desks and with ventilated windows. A large blackboard and the projector front point of the room serves as a focal point for lessons and discussions. The overall atmosphere of the classroom is one of the warmth, inclusivity, and academic enthusiasm. The computer science lab is a state-of-the-art facility equipped with latest hardware configuration and software. The lab provides a collaborative learning environment where students can work on projects, access digital resources, and develop their technical skills. The library is a vast and serene hub of knowledge, housing a vast collection of books, journals, and digital sources. Towering shelves stretch towards ceilings, laden with text on various subjects, while comfortable seating areas invite students to study and reflect. The college sports facilities are above energy and excitement, offering a range of activities and games for students to participating from cricket to kabaddi, volleyball, basketball, throwball, and kho-kho. The college provides ample opportunities for students to develop their physical skills and teamwork.